Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you an amazing and interesting strategy that you can make $1,000 in 24 hours using the smart tips and tricks right here that I will show you in this video right away here. So what I just want from you is to watch the video to the very end. Do not miss any single part of the strategy because we are going to combine multiple websites together, then maximize the result from that right away here. So the method that I'm going to share with you is really amazing. You don't need to have a special skills for that, and you don't need to have much time for that. Only 5 minutes, 10 minutes work can be done right there, and that then you are good to go with this method and this strategy right away here. So what I want from you is keep in touch and watching and do not miss any single part of the strategy, and we are going to show you step by step that how we can do that. As in a previous step, as usual, I can also tell you that whether you are using the CPAGrip.com, whether you are using the CPALead.com, whether you're using the offerwall.com or CPAGrip.com, it depends on you, any website you are using. So it doesn't matter that uh, how you are sign up with that. The only problem is that you need to have properly sign up for a website that you are promoting, and you need to have the right targeted offer to the right people. So that is the main thing that you need to understand right over here. So exactly in this video we are going to share with you that how you can figure out the offer and how you can reach to the right people on the targeted topic right here. So what I want from you is to keep watching, and the first step is that we need to sign up for a preferred network, whether you are using the CPAGrip, CPA Lead, Offer Vault, or any other one. So you can simply sign up for that. As an example, we can simply show you that we are using the Offer Vault website right here. So you can simply see here that there are many offers right here available. We can simply promote, but the best and coolest part will be that we can simply promote the offer which is good and the best with these traffic sources right here that I will share you a couple of minutes later. So I will definitely show you two different paid topics and one free topic. So these all three will be amazing and interesting, and you will definitely like that. So let's not further waste the time and go and jump straight into the strategy that how exactly it is working. So the first step is that we can simply just type, for example, uh, gift card right here in the search bar, and that will be simply search it, and that how people uh, can figure out about the gift cards right here. So here we have a gift card, for example, a gift card of $1,000 SOI US, okay, which the traffic is required US, and that is paying $3 right here. And this is another one Westfield 500 gift card right here, and this is 500 euro Apple gift card, and this is another one 500 Shell gift card right here. And if you scroll down, you will see other gift card as well right here. So the one that you are interested with, that you can simply choose, and then you can start promoting right here. So this is definitely for 500 Shell gift card. Another one Apple gift card is another one, and that is a France one. For example, for cinema gift card is right here. So there are many gift cards right here that you can simply choose. So we can simply choose one gift card that will be available for the US. So then that will help us to make more money right here. On the top, we can simply see here the gift card SOI, which is paying $3 for conversion, and that required a US traffic. And this is the network private CPA. Okay, we need to sign up before promoting the offer. We need to sign up with private CPA. Once we sign up, then we can simply grab this link from here of this offer, and then we can simply pass it from the link tree, or we can shorten with bit.ly or tin URL right here. So once we do that, then we can simply copy the link and we can start promoting. So the first step that we are going to share with you in today's video is the TropicJunkie.com. Tropic Junkie is one of the best paid advertising website actually for CPA offers right here. As you can simply see here, Tropic Junkie serves 4.6 billion daily ad impression, which is amazing and mind-blowing right here. And Private Junkie is advertised on the world's top sites actually that you can simply promote it right here. So you can definitely just click on the sign up button and you can start for a pre sign up right here on this website. Once you sign up for a pre website right here, then you can start promoting your ads right here on this website. So any website, sorry, any ads that you are want to promote right here, for example, if this is this gift card right here, uh, SOI gift card for $1,000, you can simply just sign up for a pay account right here and then create a campaign. The campaign is not a big deal actually, so it is pretty awesomely easy, and you do, that's not the same like Facebook ads or YouTube ads, which is having a complicated system and you spend a lot of time into that. So but this Tropic Junkie is really easy, and that is as a 1 to 3 you can simply create the campaign and you are good to go with that right here. So my purpose is that you can simply promote your CPA offers with Tropic Junkie. I'm not promoting the tropicjunkie.com actually. So this is our experience that you can simply use, and then you get the backside, you can earn a lot of money from that right over here. As you can simply see here, that is a lot of things right here. You can simply visit to the website and you can read all these trusted and trustworthy actually you can use, and this is a free sign up that you can simply sign up for that. So this is the first website. The next website is the tropichunt.com. Tropic Hunt is also a great website, and that is the best website as they promise you Tropic Hunt your vision. So it is exactly your vision that you can simply reach into that. The best solution for solving your marketing task actually right here. So the same way you can also here, for example, sign up for a free account right here, and then you can simply try your best to promote the offers right here on this website, because that is a different payment method available with this website you can simply use, and the payment is a regular payment you can simply use, and the support team is available 24/7, means all the time. Whenever you have any problem you can easily contact us. This is the forum, you just need to just go there and you can simply contact them and they will help you for solving your problem. And another cool spot is here that they have, for example, like classic ad formats right here, that they have different formats right here on this website as a banner, so you can simply use it. Again, I would like to tell you that these types of website is not having a complicated system, that is simple and easy system, and that you can simply create a campaign and 5 minutes and then you're good to go with that. You can simply spend $5 or $10 that you can simply experience, and then you can simply make money from that. And another coolest we topic about the Tropic Hunt is that actually that it is more available more than 200 countries, and they have impression monthly impression like 10 billion plus monthly impressions they have, and 65 plus successful campaigns they have. I mean currently people from all over the world create the campaigns on this website like 65,000 plus right here. So these were the paid method website that I was talking about, the Tropic Junkie and TropicHunt.com. These both are trusted website. If you want to make a quick money, then these two websites are the best. And if you want to have the free method, easy method, then you just need to go to this website, adpost.com. AdPost is another coolest website which is a free classified ads for the US people actually, and they all have the US topic right here. So they have multiple categories like business opportunity, business product, audio and video, cameras and optics, books, for example, clothing, furniture, musical instruments, sports, video games, tickets, for example, health and beauty, computer devices and software. So these are the different categories that this is available right here. So you can also just sign up for a free account right here on this website by just clicking the register button, and then you can simply click on the post ads on this website. You can simply post ads right here, means you can simply tell people that we have announced the free advertising platforms, and we have a free video free contents or free gift cards right here. So you can simply just sign up for that. So that way will be the most easy way that you can make money on the free method and free strategies right here. So hope you like these three different websites that I was suggesting, and you will definitely like and you will take action on that right here. So if you want to have a quick money, easy money online, then check out the first link in the description, and that is a comprehensive and full training step by step that you can learn in that how you can promote your affiliate links, or how you can promote your CPA link right here on this web, on the internet surface right here. So hope you like it. So if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.